hope you're well and welcome back to today's video. Today I'm sharing with you an organise and pack with me video. So you guys may have seen in one of my recent videos, but we are moving. It's very exciting and it's all systems go right now. So because of that, I need to stay organised and I also need to make sure that I'm cracking on with that packing. So it's the end of the summer holidays. We've probably chosen the worst time to decide to move. The sun is boiling, it's very, very hot. I'm all run out of money. Essentially, the kids have emptied my pockets over the summer with board games and all stuff like that. So today I'm also going to be sharing with you, in collaboration with Iceland and Channel Mum, some really easy, affordable meal ideas. You guys love some of the recipes that I came up with in my last video, so I'm going to be sharing some more, including lunch, treats and dinner. And not only that, some of these meals are under a £5, so super affordable, really, really easy. Iceland have a great range of meals and items and products that are just £1, £2 and £3, which are a great price, and that makes shopping even easier. Now, obviously with summer holidays drawing to an end, the kids have exhausted a lot of my ideas as well. So I'm trying to integrate some ideas into the packing and into the move that you guys can do too as well. So stay tuned later on because I'm going to be sharing you some of the things we get up to. But as you can see, I have popped down into Iceland. Here are my bags. So I'm going to dive straight in and show you what I've got. So I wanted to share with you what I picked up in this haul. Now I have my trusty receipt here as usual, and the entire shopping came to £28.32. Now I have tons of leftovers here as well, so I can make up so many more meals outside of what I picked up for the 3 dinners, a couple of lunches and stuff like that as well. So to start with, I've got a large pack of vine tomatoes. Now there's 6 in here. These are super yummy. We absolutely love these. Then I also picked up some classic crispy salad. We love salad in our house. And we also picked up a whole cucumber as well, so a really large cucumber. We have 2 packs of tortilla wraps. Now these are a bargain price of £1 each. There's 8 of them and they're the large size, so these are really, really affordable. And our plan is to use them with these bad boys. These are so yummy. So these are the breaded chicken breast fillet strips made with 100% chicken breast, and we are going to make ourselves some really nice chicken wraps out of these. These are a firm favourite in our household because the kids can make them, they can join in, and these are just super yummy. They're also Good Housekeeping taste approved. So I also then have a huge bag of diced onions. I love stuff like this. This is at a bargain price of just £1, and I can chuck things in the freezer and they're ready to go. And then I couldn't have wraps or anything like that without some cheese. Now this is also going to double up because we're also going to be making, as a lunch idea, some pizzas. We love pizzas in this house. I've even got some pizzas in this haul coming up as well, but we're going to make them with the wraps, and it's a really fun way for the boys to get involved with some cheese, some tomato puree and paste or whatever it may be, and they can chuck on whatever they want, so they can pop some vine tomatoes on or whatever. Now if you add up the majority of these meals, they're all going to come to under a £5 because I'm sharing a lot of ingredients as well. But I also then picked up these, again under a £5 for this meal with lots of choice. So we have Iceland's takeaway pizzas, stuffed crust. I got them in 2 flavours. These look so yummy. They're just £2, which I couldn't believe. And even Adam was like, oh, they look really good because they have a cheese-filled crust. So I got barbecue meat feast. This one will probably be for me and Adam, and also a cheese and tomato flavour for the boys. And then with that, I also picked up 2 garlic baguettes. So there's 2 garlic baguettes in here for just £1 again. Honestly, Iceland's range is so affordable. I even shock myself sometimes when I realise how low my receipt cost is at the end of it. Then I'm not sure how many of you guys know, but Iceland stock a Greggs range. I personally love Greggs and I love all of the range they do. But they also have these. These are exclusive to Iceland, and these are the sausage and bean melts. There's 2 in a pack, so I picked up 4, and I know the kids are going to love these as a really quick lunch idea. I haven't even got to prep anything. I can literally make it, pop it in the oven, give it to the kids, and let them be. These look good, don't they? Are you excited? They look so good. Baked beans and sausages. Ooh. They're good. Really good, aren't they? Can you not speak? Are they that good? Good.
And
then next up, I picked up some mince as well. Now this is for a new recipe that we've recently found, and oh my gosh, it's so good. You can twist this up however you like. So you can use minced beef or minced lamb. We're using minced beef. And you can use flatbreads, tortillas. So we're going to be using the leftover tortillas. We're going to have so many of those left over, and they're like, I don't know, they're Turkish inspired, so they have lots of flavourings, and oh, it is honestly one of the best meals I think I have ever tasted. I will leave the ingredients in the description box below for you, so you can prepare it yourself and give it a go. And then last up, I picked some treats for the boys, so I have these. These look so good. I think I'm actually going to steal some for myself, but these are the Roundtree's strawberry ice creams. There's 4 in a pack, and these were just £1.50. And then I also picked up Ben and Jerry's ice cream. Everyone loves Ben and Jerry's ice cream, so I'm really excited to give the boys some of this as a little treat as well. And I also wanted to share with you this. I just picked this up, and this is Iceland's bonus card. Now, I never even knew this existed, but this is basically a bonus card whereby you get £1 back for every £20 that you save on the card. Now, every time you swipe this at the end of your shop, you're in with the chance in the month of September to win lots of exclusive prizes as well. Now, these could be anything from exclusive product discounts, 1,000s of chances to win great prizes, free home delivery, a free product on your birthday, and as a little extra, you also get a £2 welcome gift when you register this online. So I'm definitely going to be making more use of this. I've already done my first shop with this, and I'm going to go and register this online in a moment so I can get my £2 back as well. So I also wanted to share with you some activities that you can do at home for free that are really budget friendly. The first one is obviously getting the kids to paint and draw on cardboard boxes. I'm sure we all have tons of deliveries, and obviously I have all of our packing boxes right now. So all of the packing boxes that are from the playroom and stuff like that, I'm just getting the boys to colour and draw pictures on. What did you draw, Parker? What is it?
Pink and blue.
Wow, loads of colours. That's really good, isn't it? Good drawing. What did you draw, Clayton?
I see the blue sky and a shark and a blue and pink and black boats.
Wow, it looks really good. Good job. And the next activity is also another firm favourite in our house. I'm actually using our packing boxes and what I have around for this one, but you can make a den. The boys absolutely love a den. They are obsessed with it and love going underneath it and sitting there telling each other jokes and stuff like that, and they also love playing their Nintendos and tablets.
We know you were doing that.
Clayton, can you get me the chicken out of the freezer, please, babe?
Mama.
Thanks, darling. And now I'm on to preparing dinner, and I love using these sorts of goujons-y chicken breast type things because they go straight in the oven. Clayton is obsessed with helping me, so he was helping me do the chicken, and then Parker came in and wanted to be involved as well. So they were really good little helpers, helping me lay all the chicken out on the pan, and these only took 20 minutes to cook, and honestly these were like a restaurant style chicken. They were so yummy and so good. And this is one of our firm favourites because in this house, we really struggle to get veg and salad inside a Parker. So by having wraps and stuff like that, we managed to jam pack him full of it. And the boys really approved of this dinner as well. So again, we will be making this one again, and it's on our weekly favourites.
It's like that.
Really good, isn't it?
It's really nice.
Oh, what happened? Nice, Parker?
Yummy pie. Yummy too, Parker.
And then I gave the boys their Roundtree lollies as pudding, and I think Parker's reactions and noises said it all about how he felt. It is nice, isn't it? You'll also have to let me know in the comments below if there's any meals or favourite goodies or treats and desserts, whatever it may be, that you love from Iceland, because I'm definitely looking to pick up some more. I spotted so many other bits in there, like the chocolate eclairs. I'm sure they were pretty much £1 or so, really good value. So I definitely need to pick up some more for the freezer. So whilst they finished their puddings, I cracked on and began packing up. I have got so much left to do, and today it was a really, really hot day, so I was really struggling. So I tried to get as much done as I possibly could, and I'm trying to do things and keep it really organised, and I needed to tackle this cupboard. It was a bit of a mess again. I only tidied this the other day, so I don't know how it gets so messy so quickly, but I began to pack and try and stay organised and on top of it, because we only have a few weeks now until we move. And as I'm going through everything, I'm also doing a lot of decluttering and a lot of decision making on what we're going to chuck, what we're keeping, what isn't in great condition and things like that, because I really need to kind of strip things back a little bit. We don't actually know where we're going right now in terms of moving, so we're going to be living with family for a little bit, and so I don't want to be hoarding up too much storage space. So I'm really trying to be as good as I can with getting this all concise. So I hope you guys have enjoyed watching my Organise and Pack With Me video, and that I've given you lots of meal inspiration alongside some ideas to keep the kids busy at the end of summer. Don't forget to head on over and check out the channel mum page so you can see lots of other videos as well. And don't forget to go and check out Iceland and head on over there. You've got loads of different offers during the month of September with their bonus card, and their affordable prices are not to be missed. I hope you guys have enjoyed it, and I will speak to you all soon. Bye!